In today's video, I will walk you through how to use 3D Polyline in AutoCAD. To begin, go to the 3D Polyline tool or type 3D in the command line and press Enter. Next, specify the first point of the 3D polyline by clicking a location in your drawing. Continue selecting additional points to create the shape of the polyline. As you select each point, AutoCAD will create connected line segments between the points, allowing you to create a polyline with different elevations. After placing all the required points, press Enter to complete the command. AutoCAD will create a 3D polyline based on the points you selected. You can select the 3D polyline and make adjustments using available editing tools if needed. 3D polyline is useful when creating lines that require different heights or elevations. It is commonly used for 3D modeling, terrain layouts, engineering drawings, and designs that need accurate three-dimensional paths. To modify the 3D polyline, select the object and use the available editing options to adjust its shape or position. And that's how to use 3D Polyline in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.